Alright guys, so I put my truck in the water and now I'm just waiting for the old owner to bring me my boat. But look at this. It's like a boat show up in here today. Wants to know where no poker runs going on. Look at that lineup, guys. Yes, Jay, I'm outside your house.
Alright, I'm gonna tell my wife to go check it out.
Awesome, thank you, man. Alright guys, so we're here to see a boat that popped up on Marketplace last night. I think most of you guys are gonna enjoy it. It's a classic, but it's gonna be another little project boat. Hopefully she has some good bones and we can take her home today. Let's go. I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride. Alright guys, let's see our first impression of this boat. It's a 1988 23-foot Donzi with a 2005 225 Yamaha 4-stroke. Hey. Yeah, engine's definitely really low. No, definitely.
So I don't have to put in the water. I don't want to have to rinse
No,
the engine. So
no.
You can jump on.
Appreciate it.
I'm Louis. Hi, Louis.
And I'm a junior.
All right. You just stand here. Here.
Yep.
I'll do it first. I'll just turn it in.
Beautiful. Transom's gone. Transom's gonna need repairs.
Yeah, you can look inside. Pull the hatches. There's
Oh, we got some fiberglass work here.
and I don't know if you can look in there or not. But yeah, you can open this one too if they're got the same side.
Appreciate it.
And then
First thing I'm looking at, transom's been repaired.
you want to attach the water to the engine.
Definitely gonna be another project boat, guys. But see here, stress cracks. Walk around the floor here very quick. No cracks there. No cracks here on the floor. Nothing here on the side. Transom's gonna need to be replaced. But we were talking about making this in, putting a bracket and making this into a back seat area. So regardless, maybe we don't have to replace the whole transom. Maybe we can just get core and reinforce this transom. But there's a stress crack here. There's a stress crack right here. And whenever there's a stress crack, that means that the core material is bad. And there's some fiberglassing stuff right here. Other than that, there's no jack plate on this engine, and this engine is super low. It's like 8 inches below the keel. Some little stress cracks here. It is a 1988. The owners had it since 1990. In 2005, he put the Yamaha 4-stroke on it. Supposedly the engine has 900 hours. He did all this acrylic stuff. All this acrylic paneling. Looks nice. Looks nice. Yeah, this ain't cracking. This is nice. See this front compartment here. Trying to see the electrical. The electrical looks clean. It has 2 amplifiers. It has a subwoofer, an amplifier. Okay. The electrical looks nice. It looks taken care of. So, little work. Cracks there. Let's see here. I didn't bring a screwdriver, so I can't see under there. I'm trying to see under in the hole here. All right. Oh. That looks nice. Looks fine. No cracks up here. This definitely needs to go. This needs to go. But oh look, it has the hooks already for the. It has the hook already for the lifts. I want something small.
Put the water on if you want.
No, I was actually checking to make sure because the transom looks like it needs to be replaced.
Yeah.
The wood is bad.
Yeah. So we're not good, so.
Yeah. I'm trying to assess what I.
Why don't you just put this on?
I put that on.
Yeah.
On the other side. It's a great boat though. We've had this thing for, I'd say, we've had it for 30 years. Maybe a little less. At least 25 for sure. Been in the family forever.
Ready to go?
Ready?
Yep. I'm gonna take the cowling off real quick, okay?
Yeah, sure. Whatever you want to do.
Lightweight.
There it goes. You'd be like, why is your hand? Really way. My husband's very anal with his stuff. Sometimes he always has to service.
Fuel pump. That's a fuel pump.
Go ahead.
Huh? Oh, it did?
If you don't have one way to go by his front car. Yeah, he's gonna be where he's a nurse at the children's hospital.
What?
He hates it when I tell people, but he's a nurse at the children's hospital.
Oh, yeah?
And he needs to get out and keep it.
Miami Children's? Yeah. Great hospital. My daughter was there twice.
I've been there for. I've probably been there already 6 years now. January I completed 6 years.
Nice. So who's wheels up there? Somebody said wheels up when you call. Oh, you are.
I go there today. I go
Okay.
today.
Charter names in the house of the woman.
Oh, okay.
Charter a lot. That's weird.
What island? I'm going there in a couple of days.
There.
I don't know yet. I've done a lot of trips to the Abricos.
Yeah.
And a lot of trips to Staniel.
Oh, stand
And then
up. Sure.
it's funny something. Last time, my girlfriend and I planned on going to
First thing I'm looking at, guys, it's always gonna pee because it's on the water, but there's no corrosion here. No corrosion here in the midsection area. Engine looks good. It's a 2005 model, 4-stroke. So it looks good, guys. I mean, other than this transom.
That's it?
She was the one with the blind eye.
Yeah.
Until she got my girlfriend's passport. That expired a year earlier. And it's because I had.
And right now it's so hard to get a passport.
Yeah,
we're waiting for the
any good
weather
recommendations? What?
It depends where you go. I mean, there's 3 airports. There's Harbor Island, which is, there's really nothing at the airport. You have to go to take the ferry to the mainland to really go do something. And there's Governor's Harbor. Governor's Harbor has some great restaurants right near the airport. And then there's
That's where we were gonna go last time.
yeah, and then there's Rock Sound, which there's probably nothing there either.
So Governor's Harbor will be the.
Yeah, Governor's Harbor I think is the better one. You can just jump in a cab. I mean, if you're only going for the day. Are you
No.
saying-
I want to spend the weekend.
Oh.
I will stop. Like I said, it's a 4-stroke. Engine super low. I feel like it.
The motor's been taken care of.
So there's no cracks in the bulkhead, so that's good. No cracks on the floor. Yes, the transom is cracked. So it means it's gonna need to be replaced. But regardless, we're gonna do that because we're gonna close it out, and the engine's in amazing condition. So not really no cracks here. Put this down. Let's see, guys. We're gonna offer her something. Yeah, I like this color. See the bottom here very quick. Ugh. Perfect. That's on the lift. It's a little crack right there. Looks like somebody hit it, but I can fix that. Remember, this is a project boat, guys. It's from 1988. This ain't gonna be no brand new boat. I really hate this though. It'll be the first thing I take off. I really hate this shit right here. Super ugly. I didn't need that for. But yeah. 23 Donzi.
Takes off the plug.
He takes off the plug? Oh, awesome. So that means no water ever sits in the boat. That must be fun.
That motor with plate or packed up.
Oh no, look how low that motor is. Look how low, but regardless, we're gonna make the seat and the bracket.
$20,000 job.
You know.
Or no, actually $10,000 job.
Oh yeah, for somebody who's gonna do it out of shop. I hate this bracket. That's gonna have to go. But you put this boat, you lift that transom up, you break a bracket, swim bracket, you make that back into a little seat. This boat will completely change.
It might sit too low in the water once you do that.
Paramounts have it. They won't sit too low. You just can't put a big bracket. You gotta make a little bracket. The bracket is gonna be 1,500 bucks. All right, guys. So we worked out a deal. This boat doesn't come with a trailer, so I had to go pick up one of my buddy's trailers, and we're on our way back to Aventura. So stay tuned. I can't make this up, guys. Look at this. Look at this lady's car that she's cutting me off. The car has little eyelashes. Look at her steering wheel. And she fucking cuts me off. It's fine. I'm not even mad about it. She's going on YouTube. Look at her dashboard. Guys, look at her dashboard. What the? Miami driver, guys. You gotta get used to it. You can't get mad. We're almost at the boat though, so that's the good news. Oh shit, Miami drivers. I'm telling you. I can't be vlogging and driving, guys. Miami drivers. Alright, guys, so deal's finalized and we're here. And we're gonna wait for it. Oh my god, guys, look at the lineup. Look at that lineup right there, guys. I think it's like oh man, you already know I gotta try to sneak in there. Look at that lineup, guys. This is a boat ship. Alright guys, so I put my truck in the water and now I'm just waiting for the old owner to bring me my boat. But look at this. It's like a boat show up in here today. Once in a while, no poker runs going on. Look at that lineup, guys. MTI, guys. MTI is the new wave, man. These guys are building some badass boats. So a boat just got here. I came to show you guys these boats. I'm not gonna have time. It's raining, and the old owner just got here to haul over Marina. So a little chilly. My girl's gonna get mad that I wet my brand new shoes. Wait, whoa, 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 slow down! Woo. Come forward. Alright. Wait up. No, you have to go back. I hate this thing. First thing that's going is this thing. Alright. Alright guys, here she is. 1988 23-foot Donzi with a 2005 225 two-stroke engine. She's on the trailer and I'm gonna take her home. So I'm gonna end the video here. If you guys like this video, make sure to drop a like. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more of this Donzi. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.